Promise that you will sing about me. Promise that you will sing about me.
When I see you, I go nuts. Please, baby girl, let me touch on them cocoa nuts. Let me get the milk with the cocoa puffs. Feeling kinda freaky, get the go-go cups. Oh shit, where's Inspector Gadget? I don't even know, but I be done had it. Listen, from your life, I'm what's missing.
Hello. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nory, and long time no see. We're installing a Amazon wig. Honestly, I cannot tell you how long this has been sitting in Capcut, so I don't even know what to say. But I know I always go back over like the wigs in the review, but I'm pretty sure I didn't like this wig, and I think it was shedding a lot. I'm not 100% sure, but like I said, I always fill you in with the details at the end. But this wig is from Amazon. It's not in my storefront because obviously it's not a good wig. I do have some more in there. Lately, I've just been getting into my TikTok, but I do have a Shein haul coming up very soon, maybe about next week, since I'm gonna post this on Friday. I've been going through it. It's been a rough patch. I just gotta get some content. Like I said, I've been doing a lot in TikTok, even though I be hating on TikTok so much. And honestly, I still do. Installing the wig like how I usually do. If you want a more thorough video, I have plenty on my channel. I just want to come in and fill you guys in, and that's about it. And stay tuned until the end to see my review on it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.
$40, even if I gotta fuck, suck, and swallow. Hit the parking lot, cause I was parked on follow by a married man and father of three. My titties bounce on the cadence of his tingling keys. Matter of fact, he my favorite, cause he tipped me with ease. He got a cousin named David, and I seen him last week. This is the life of another girl damaged by the system. These foster homes, I run away and never do miss them. See my hormones just run away, and if I can get them back to where they used to be, then I'd probably be in the denim of a family gene that show women how to be woman. Or better yet, a leader. You needed to learn something, then you probably need to beat her. That's how I was taught. 3 niggas in one room. First time I was tossed, and I'm exhausted. But fuck that, sorry for your lost shit. My sister died in vain, but what point are you trying to gain? If you can fit the pumps I walk in, I'll wait. Your rebuttal a little too late, and if you have an album date, just make sure I'm not in the zone, cause I don't need the attention, bring enough of that on my own. And matter of fact, did I mention that I physically feel great? A doctor's approval, it's a waste of time, I know I'm straight. I probably live longer than you and never fade away. I'll never fade away, I'll never fade away. I know my fate, and I'm on the ground for this cake. I'ma get it or die trying. I'm eyeing every male gender with intentions of buying. You lying to these motherfuckers talking about you can help me with my story. You can help me if you sell this book for me.
You made that?
Niggas be thinking I'm deep, intelligent, fooled by my college degree. My IQ is average, there's a young lady out there, she way smarter than me. I scroll through her timeline in these wild times and I started to read. She mad at these crackers, she mad at these capitalists, mad at these murder police. She mad at my niggas, she mad at her ignorance, she wear her heart on her sleeve. She mad at the celebrities, low key I be thinking she talking about me. Now I ain't no dummy to think I'm above criticism, so when I see something that's valid I listen, but shit, it's something about the queen tone that's bothering me. She strike me as somebody blessed enough to grow up in conscious environment with parents that know about the struggle for liberation, and in turn they provide her with a perspective and awareness of the system and a fairness that afflicts them, and the clearest understanding of what we gotta do to get free, and the frustration that fills the words seems to come from the fact that most people don't see. Just cause you woke and I'm not, that shit ain't no reason to talk like you better than me. How you gonna leave when you attacking the very same niggas that really do need the shit that you saying? It's instead of conveying you holier, come help us get her to speed. Shit, it's a reason. It's like 200 years for our ancestors just to get free. These shackles be locking the mental way more than the physical. I look at freedom like trees, can't grow for us like overnight. Hit the ghetto and slowly start planting your seeds. Fuck is the point of you preaching your message to those that already believe what you believe? Almost a fucking retweet, most people are sheep. You got all the answers, but how you gon' reach? If I can make one more suggestion respectfully, I would say it's more effective to treat people like children, understanding the time and love and patience that's needed to grow. This change is inevitable, but ain't none of us seen this before. Therefore, we just gotta learn everything as we go. I struggle with thoughts on the daily, feel like a slave to somehow to save. And no coins to buy his way about a slavery. Think it's just maybe in my pursuit to make life so much better for me and my babies. How to betray the very same people that look at me like I'm some kind of a hero because of the zeros and sense of the commas. But look here, I promise I'm not who you think. Ran into this nigga outside of the store yesterday. He said something that had me like, wait. He was like, Cole, appreciate what you been doing, my nigga, that's real. But damn, why I feel faker than snow on the bluff? Well, maybe cause deep down I know I ain't doing enough.
Time, I really don't wanna go grinding, I run
girlfriend and mistress. All my life I want money if I respect my mind, no die from less, y'all.
And I know loving you's a crime. If I take this cookie now, one day I'll do the time.
All a nigga know is how to fuck a good thing up. Run from the pain, sip lean, smoke free up. When I'm in your town, press pound, hit me up. When I'm in your town, press pound, hit me up. Only if you down and you slurp good D up. If the work good, I'll be back for the re-up. Hate when I creep in the phone, wake me up. Make like I'm sleep going down while I be up. Put me on Zanny at once. I got the earth and the blunt. I get the script when I want. I get the script when I want. To the money, the aroma. My girl, she got her diploma. She got white written all over. She got white written all over.
Be my number one, I don't need nothing on the side. So that I was something, don't want no more lies. But my phone be blowing up, temptations on my line. I stare at the screen a while before I press decline. But she plants a seed and it still lingers in my mind. Told myself I'm strong enough to shake it and I'm trying. But I'm only human, I know loving you's a crime. If I take this cookie now, one day I'll do the time.
All a nigga know is how to fuck a good thing up. Run from the pain, sip lean, smoke free up. When I'm in your town, press pound, hit me up. When I'm in your town, press pound, hit me up. Only if you down and you slurp good D up. If the work good, I'll be back for the re-up. Hate when I creep in the phone, wake me up. Make like I'm sleep going down while I be up. Put me on Zanny at once. I got the earth and the blunt. I get the skirt when I want. I get the skirt when I want. Due to the money aroma. My girl, she got her diploma. She got white written all over. She got white written all over. Put me on Zanny at once. I got the earth and the blunt. I get the skirt when I want. I get the skirt when I want. Due to the money aroma. My girl, she got her diploma. She got white written all over. She got white written all over.
Here we go. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. I'm willing to die for this shit. I done cried for this shit. Might take a life for this shit. Put the Bible down and go out for a knife for this shit. DOT, my enemy, won't catch a vibe for this shit. Ayy, I've been stumped out in front of my mama. My daddy commissary made it to commas. Bitch, all my grandma's dead. So ain't nobody praying for me. I'm on your head. Ayy, 30 millions later, know the feds watching. Auntie on my telegram like be cautious. I be hanging out Thames, I be on Stockton. I don't do it for the gram, I do it for Compton. I'm willing to die for this shit, nigga. I take your fucking life for this shit, nigga. We ain't going back to broke, family selling dope. That's why you many ass rap niggas better know. If I gotta slap a pussy ass nigga, I'ma make it look sexy. If I gotta go hard on the bitch, I'ma make it look sexy. I pull up, hop out, air out, made it look sexy. They won't take me out my element, nah, take me. I'm allergic to a bitch nigga, ayy, an imaginary rich nigga, ayy. 7 figures, how that slimmer than my bitch figure, ayy. Going digital and physical on all y'all, ayy. Bunch of criminals and money in my phone calls, ayy. Be okay, be let the A1 fly. Relocate, jump on the same G5. Checking for me heavy, cause I go, yeah. They never been ready, yeah, I know, yeah. 100K spread across the floor, yeah. None of y'all fucking with the flow, yeah. Years in the making, they don't y'all mistake it. I got them by a landslide, we talking about races. You know there's never be a tie, just look at they laces. You know goddamn
I was gonna do some lashes, but I don't feel like looking for no lashes. It's the finished product. I'm gonna insert some pictures because I feel like the background is messing it up. Like you can't really see it. See? It's giving very much left eye. I might title that this. I might title this that. Yeah, okay. I am not going to link this video nor tell you the company name because no, I'm not leaving a good review for them. No, you can keep the money. I don't even care right now. Not only has this melted multiple times in my flat iron, the knots did not bleach at all. This is makeup, I promise you. And I washed it more than 5 times trying to get as much black dye out of it as I could. And even then, it's still, yeah. Even when I was just rinsing it without shampooing it again with Dawn, it was still. But anyway, this wig is shedding really, really bad. I'm gonna show y'all a picture. I got multiple of these little things. I wouldn't recommend this wig, you know. All things that glitter is not gold, so, but at least it came out really cute. But yeah, like I said, I'm not, no, I've worked with so many better wigs. If you need a straight black 13 by 4 13 by 6 wig, I have some that I've already tried and that I've liked, but it came out cute, like I said. But no, I did a style like this similar and people loved that one, so it was this, but except it was only 1 ponytail instead of 3, so, but it still came out really cute. I'm gonna have to insert some pictures because the black background isn't cooperating. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys later.